In today's tutorial, I'm going to go over a couple of different solutions to resolving if your mouse keeps freezing on your computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first thing I want to point out is, or discuss is if you have a wireless mouse, make sure you're close to the computer, not that far away. And then also make sure that the batteries are charged and are working properly in your mouse. So even though it's wireless, you do need to have batteries inside of the mouse. There has to be some sort of power source, or maybe it's a rechargeable computer mouse. I'm not exactly sure, but you may want to take a look into that. Also, if you are using a wireless mouse, if there's any new driver updates available on the manufacturer's website, you may want to go ahead and check them out. And make sure you're having a good and active internet connection as well, because if it's unable to connect to your router properly, it's not going to be able to connect back the computer or the laptop. So that's the first thing I recommend looking at. Now, more so if you're using a wired mouse, you may want to try plugging into a different USB port. You might have an issue with a specific port, or your mouse might actually just be bad and needs to be replaced, which is always a possibility. Computer mice are really not meant to last forever. They're pretty cheap, so it's just something to consider. And then once you've already addressed, the basic stuff here, you can go into the search menu, type in Device Manager. Best result should say Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. You want to expand the section that says Mice and Other Pointing Devices. Double click on it. And then right click on your mouse and select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers, and then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And then I would recommend selecting the one it suggests unless there's a manufacturer-specific one that seems to trump it. And then select Next. And then close out of here. And then something else we can try here as well. If we were to close out of here, open up the search menu and search for Control Panel. Best match should say Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by in the top right to large icons. And then you want to go to the mouse section and select pointer options at the top. And where it says enhance pointer precision, uncheck that option and select apply and OK. And then once you've done that, you may want to consider restarting your computer and see if that has resolved the problem. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.